The color of human urine has helped us diagnose disorders for centuries. The variations in our pee's color, density, or odor may suggest conditions with our body. We release massive amounts of waste products from our food and drinks through our pee. Urine changes color and smells when something is wrong. We can use it as an indicator of potential health concerns. Your urine is light yellow, almost translucent when you're healthy. A substance called urobilin is what gives it its distinctive color. Our urine moves this urobilin. As it gets diluted in water, our urine turns yellow to almost transparent. For example, dark yellow may indicate that we may need a degree of hydration. You may also see other hues in your urine. Here's what urine color might be telling you about your health. 1. Orange urine. Excessive amounts of foods high in beta-carotene may cause your urine to turn orange. You can find beta-carotene in carrots, as well as some medications. Your urine may also appear orange if you have liver issues. 2. Dark yellow urine. Dark yellow urine is normal. It usually means you need more water. If your urine is dark, it may mean you have liver issues. 3. Blue urine. Most blue urine is caused by using blue methylene contrast dyes in computed tomography scans, liver operations, or other treatments. 4. Pink or red urine. If you have red or pink pee, you may have a urinary tract infection, gallbladder stone, or kidney issue. It may also suggest that there is blood in your urine. Your urine may also turn red or pink if you consume foods like beets. 5. Whitish urine. Albuminuria is another name for urine that looks white. A severe urinary tract infection can cause it. It is usually accompanied by a burning feeling when you urinate in a fever. 6. Green urine. A dangerous disorder known as green urine can be a result of your diet, medications, artificial dyes. It can also come from contrast material used in several medical diagnostic tests. 7. Brown urine. Brown urine is a sign of extreme dehydration. It can also mean that you may have liver issues like cirrhosis or hepatitis. Additionally, there are a few other alterations in our urine that we should be aware of. 1. Urine with a strong scent. No pee smells good. But we can all distinguish between regular urine and urine with a strong odor. Coffee or asparagus may be the source of a particularly severe pee odor. Consult a doctor if this is not the case to determine what is wrong. 2. Foamy urine. Our bodies store too much protein if it produces a lot of foam. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe for more advice and recipes.